Octenisan wash lotion should be used in the bath or shower for washing instead of your usual soap, shampoo or shower gel. Make sure your hair and body are completely wet. Switch off the shower or get out of the bath. Apply an adequate amount of octenisan wash lotion straight from the bottle onto a damp flannel or washcloth. Do not dilute octenisan wash lotion in water, always use it neat. Rub the washcloth all over your body, adding more octenisan if you need it. Pay extra attention to covering your armpits, navel and groin areas. Make sure you haven't missed any areas of your body, including your back, behind your ears and between your toes. When your body is completely covered, wait for at least 1 minute. Wrap yourself in a clean towel if you feel cold. Then return to your bath or shower and rinse off the octenisan wash lotion. If you are washing your hair, then use octenisan wash lotion instead of your usual shampoo. Remember to wait for at least 1 minute before rinsing out the octenisan wash lotion. Dry yourself with a clean towel and put on clean clothes.